Welcome, everyone. If this is your first time here, my name is Naomi, the face behind the DevOps Wife channel. And I started this channel because I know how hard it is and how hard it can be to find time to learn something new, especially when life is so busy. Nights are typically quiet and perfect for focusing. And so I wanted to create a space where you can learn DevOps at your own pace without any distractions. I've been where you are, trying to learn new skills while balancing everything else. And so this channel is here to help and make sure that that journey is easy for you. So whether you are starting a new career in DevOps or cloud, or you simply just want to learn, you are definitely in the right place. And so follow us on all our social media platforms, on Instagram, on X, on LinkedIn, and on YouTube at the DevOps Wife. You can also like and share this video if you find it useful. Let's dive right in. So what exactly is DevOps? DevOps is a way of working that brings together two teams. The developers are the people who write the code, so either front end or back end, or the operations team. The operations team are the people who keep the systems running. And the goal is to work together more smoothly and get things done faster and make fewer mistakes. So think of it like this. DevOps is about teamwork and using the right tools to make sure that software is created, tested, and released to users more quickly and easily. Now, you might also wonder, what is the difference between DevOps and cloud computing? DevOps is about how we work together to build and deliver software. So it focuses on making things run smoothly between teams, while cloud computing is about where we run our software. So it means using servers that are not in your local computer, but somewhere on the internet which can be accessed at any time from anywhere. In summary, DevOps is about teamwork and processes, while cloud computing is about technology and servers, and they often go hand in hand, but they are not exactly the same thing. So why should we care about DevOps? What's so special about DevOps? Well, with DevOps, you can update and fix software faster, like we've said before. The developers and the operations people can also work closely together to make sure that everyone is on the same page and problems get solved faster. We can also solve bugs easily and early, which means fewer problems for end users like us. DevOps also makes it easier to add more resources when needed, especially if you use cloud services. And probably the most important point is that DevOps helps in automating tasks. We're going to talk about automation in another video, but DevOps helps you automate tasks, which means less manual work and more efficient use of resources, saving costs in the long run for organizations. DevOps just helps make everything smoother and more efficient so teams can focus on create software. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into the tools that you can use for DevOps. Everything from version control systems to continuous integration tools and much more. Plus, we'll also cover Multipass, which is a tool for managing virtual machines. We would also talk about what virtual machines are and how you can use them. Thank you so much for joining me tonight on the DevOps Wife channel. I hope you found this introduction to DevOps video very helpful, and I hope you're ready to join me to explore more. And so, if you're excited to learn about the practical tools that make DevOps work, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any video that I post. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and remember, nighttime is the right time for DevOps. Have a great night.